So we're going to talk about something that happened. Didn't want this to be the first video that you guys met me in, but I guess it has to be that way. We'll just jump into it. New wheels and tires. Backstory. I was driving down the road, doing about 43 and a 45, following a landscaping truck and trailer. Very sketchy looking. Trailer had no brake lights, trailer had no license plate, and basically nothing was tied down on it. So I stayed back 4 or 5 car lengths from it, and we were all in traffic trying to pass this guy, and the inevitable happened. A concrete paver came off of his trailer on a little bump, hit the middle of the road, slide left and right. I can't go to the left. There's a line of cars all trying to pass this dude. Can't go to the right because the road just drops off to a grassy ditch. I mean, I could have, but that probably would have been bad. And couldn't really slam on the brakes. I mean, I did a little bit, but there's traffic behind me. We're all trying to pass this guy. So I come on the brakes a little bit, get down to probably 30, 35-ish. It's sliding about in the middle of the road. I try to straddle it, which looking back probably wasn't a good idea because if I would have hit like an oil pan, probably would have been a lot worse. But didn't straddle it enough, hit on the inside tire wall, and well, I'll just show you what happened. That's what a STI wheel and tire look like when you hit a concrete paver at 30 to 35 miles an hour. One wheel online was about $275 plus shipping and a 2-week ship period. And because my tires are 65-70% of their tread life, I couldn't get one new tire unless I could find a used one that was within 230 seconds or whatever it may be. So I was stuck with buying one STI wheel at $300-ish and 4 wheels and tires, or 4 tires, and selling the other 3 good tires that I had as somebody's spares. Or I could buy a set. And because this happened on like the 1st or 2nd of July, there were a lot of sales going on. And we'll also get into that. But Tire Rack is who I purchased through. Definitely no sponsorships or anything involved. I'm not big enough for that yet. But let me just say, Tire Rack, I have been beyond impressed. With the theme that I have going on in the car, these are going to be perfect. And at only a little bit more than it would have been to buy one wheel, I got 4. So now we're going to talk about why Tire Rack is going to be my primary place for shopping for wheels and tires in the future. First off, customer service is phenomenal. I had called them on Thursday because I was contemplating whether to buy one STI wheel. Let's slide this over here. One STI wheel and 4 tires from a third-party company, or buy 4 wheels and 4 tires. I really didn't know what I wanted to do. Didn't like having to spend the money on either one. But after talking with them Thursday evening right before they closed, I decided to wait and sleep on it, think about it. Friday morning I woke up and was like, I'm doing it. Why not? Just doing it. Got to. So I went online, made sure everything was right in my cart. By the way, these are 18 by 8s and then a 245/40 18. So these are the same tire size, aspect ratio that were on the car previously. The only difference is the STI wheel is an 8.5 wide, and this is only an 8 wide. After contemplating, I pulled the trigger on these, and they didn't process my order on Friday, and I was thinking halfway through the day, I wonder why, and then I realized, oh yeah, federal holiday. So Friday didn't process my order. Obviously 4th of July, they didn't process my order. Sunday is the weekend, they're off. Yesterday, today is Tuesday. Now yesterday is Monday morning at 8:05 Central, which they're Atlanta, so, or 7:05 Central, so 8:05 Eastern, they're in Atlanta. They processed my order, I'm guessing as soon as their computer system was up and running, or whoever the person behind it was. Placed it at 8:05, got an email that it was shipped out of UPS at 10:30-ish, at the latest, 10:30, and today's Tuesday, 25 hours later, so 11 a.m. this morning, they showed up at my door. Now, I understand that's UPS at the same time as Tire Rack, but it was free shipping. Free. Like, free. I didn't think 25-pound wheels, and I don't know how heavy the tires are, I didn't think all 8 would come in less than 48 hours for free. I was expecting by Thursday or Friday at the earliest. I was expecting them to be in this weekend and take care of all this weekend. So I'm kind of on fun crunch time. Now I get to ceramic coat before I get these tires thrown on. Which brings me to my final point. Why I didn't have them mount and balance them for free. There's another promotion, I guess, that they were having, along with the whole free shipping. They were doing free mounting and balancing, which I don't know if they do this often. I don't know if this is all the time, but they were going to mount and balance them, and I had to put a specific note in saying I don't want them mounted and balanced because I didn't want to buy their TPMS system and a scan tool when I have tire pressure monitoring sensors already in the wheels. All I have to do is swap them over. So tomorrow, when I go to get these things wrapped in these things, I'm going to ceramic coat them, bring them there, and they're going to pull off the old tires and wheels, or tires off the wheels, pull the TPMS out, put a new valve stem and TPMS in these, then throw the new rubbers on these, and I'm going to come home with 3, well, I'll come home with 4, but I'm going to sell 3 STI wheels and 3 used tires separately. Alright guys, so that's this video. It's basically just a what happened, why happened, and an unboxing of these gorgeous wheels. Thanks for clicking. Please do all the things that every other YouTuber says, but if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's spacerally. You'll see pictures of these things on here within the next 2 or 3 days. And if you want to see the installation / mounting / balancing and the ceramic coat of these, click on the next video. I'll post it as soon as I get this one edited and posted. I'll already be done editing and posting that one because we're about to ceramic coat these things in 5 minutes. So I'm recording that video now as well. Just figured I'd separate this so it's not one really long video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace.